Today we are going to learn about one of the threat intelligence framework that will be used for threat analysis. That is nothing but cyber kill chain. In the cyber kill chain, we will understand the threat actors behavior, how they will infiltrate the system and how we can defend that threat from our environment. Let's get started. I'm Kaushik, a cybersecurity engineer. First, let's see what is cyber kill chain. Cyber kill chain is a cybersecurity framework. It's developed by Lockheed Martin in 2011. These frameworks break cyber attack into 7 structured stages from initial reconnaissance to final impact. For analysis, the idea behind this model is simple. If we can detect and stop the attacks at any stage, we can break the chain and prevent the attack from succeeding. It is nothing but before impact, we will stop the attack by understanding the behavior of that attacks. Okay, now let's see why cyber kill chain is important. The framework is important because it gives defenders visibility into attacker behaviors. Okay, instead of reacting only after damage is done, we can identify early indicators such as reconnaissance or suspicious delivery attempts. It is also improves threat intelligence, detection engineering, and SOC operations. In this cyber kill chain, we have 7 stages. First one is reconnaissance, second one is weaponization, then delivery, exploitation, installation, command and control, and action on objectives. Let's understand the each step one by one. First one is reconnaissance. In reconnaissance is the information gathering phase. Here, attackers collect details about the target organization or individuals. This include employee email addresses, exposed IP addresses, public facing applications, or even social media informations. Many attacks are successful by gathering information about the organization. Before infiltrating the system, attacker will gather all the information from open intelligence or dark web forums. So once they collect all this data, they will get to know the weaknesses in the system. After that, they will move to the weaponization stage. In weaponization stage, the attackers prepare their attack tools. They combine an exploit with a malicious payload, such as ransomware or a Trojan. This stage usually happens outside the victim's network, so it's difficult to detect. Threat intelligence team often analyze malware samples to understand this stage. The final goal of this stage is preparing a attacker tool for infiltration. Then once they prepare this payloads, they will move to the next stage, that is delivery stage. This is nothing but the prepared payload is delivered to the victim. How they need to deliver that they will decide here. Common methods include phishing emails, malicious links, infected attachments, or drive-by download. So here the email security gateways and the filter solutions play a major role in detecting this stage. If we block delivery, the attack will stop here only. Okay, once they deliver their payload into the system, they will move to the next phase, that is exploitation. In exploitation stage, these malicious code will be executed. Exploitation occurs when the malicious code is executed on the victim system. Okay, this could happen through a software vulnerability or zero-day exploit or user interaction, such as clicking a malicious attachments, malicious links. Like that, this exploitation will happen. Here, endpoint detection and response tools are crucial to detect abnormal process behaviors. The goal of this phase is gaining initial access. Then next stage is installation. Here attackers will install the malwares or backdoors to maintain persistence access in the client environment. They may modify registry keys, create a scheduled task, or install remote access trojans to maintain the access within that victim environment. If the attackers want long-term access, mostly they will change the registry keys or they will create a persistence mechanism to maintain their access for a long term. Once they succeeded with this installation stage, they will move to the command and control phase. In this phase, the infected system communicates with the attacker's command and control server. This allows the attacker to remotely control the system, send commands, or download additional malwares. Here, threat analysts look for a suspicious outbound connections, beaconing patterns, or unusual encrypted traffics. Once they create this command and control, then they will move to the action and objective stage. This is nothing but impact. What is the attacker's goal or motive behind this attack? This is the final stage where attacker achieve their goals. The goal may include data exfiltration, ransomware encryption, privilege escalation, or lateral movement within the network. In this stage, the business impact will occur, including financial loss, reputation damage, or business disruptions will happen. That's all about cyber kill chain. I'm going to do a part 2 of this video. In that, we'll explain the cyber kill chain by taking a live cyber attack. Yeah, that's all about for today. See you in the next lesson. If you like this lecture, please do like and subscribe to my channel for further lessons.